guys, this is the test of that IndusCom ICIFSDI3 that I was comparing to my ICIFSDI3-12060. We're going to see how this thing runs, and I'm going to just tell you about it. I'm just relieved that it works. That's all I'm going to say before I plug it in. Very bad startup, but it does work. Bad bearings too, but it spins. As I was saying, it doesn't have a bottom cover, that's just how these fans were made. But it does work. So I should have this up on the testing stand, and we can see how it runs as it is now, and then I'll see what the problems are and get them all worked out. I think one of them is definitely an underpowered capacitor. If you were to compare it to this would be really bad. But for something that hasn't run for so long, it's not bad. Has a short spin down. There's the bad bearings in it. Yeah, so that's the IndusCom ICIFSDI3. I already compared it to that one, but I'm just gonna tell you one of the big differences is that it doesn't have the bottom part. Besides that, they're almost exact, and I think the blades for this are a bit different from the ones that go with these, because these have like an airfoil on the blades. These don't have that. The blades are more angled. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is PowerCat69. I'll see you in the next video.